Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is trying to get her election interference case restored to its original size. The DA has appealed a March ruling dismissing 6 of those counts, 3 of them charging former President Donald Trump. Good Day's Mark Teichner is live from the Fulton County Courthouse with our developing story. Mark?
That's right, Ron. You know, and when these charges were dismissed, the judge said that the DA's office could go back and try to re-indict them. Instead, District Attorney Willis has found a more creative way to try to get them put back into the case. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is trying to turn the tables on former President Trump's efforts to get her removed from the election interference case. The DA's office is appealing Judge Scott McAfee's March ruling dismissing 6 counts, including 3 faced by the former president. Those counts allege defendants solicited public officers to violate their oath, one stemming from Mr. Trump's infamous phone call with Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger.
I just want to find 11,780 votes.
While leaving most of the charges in place, the judge threw out 6, saying those counts didn't allege sufficient detail of illegal activity. Willis is using something called a cross appeal to get them restored. This allows the DA to appeal a ruling if the defendants have already appealed something else. The former president and other defendants have asked the Georgia Appeals Court to overturn Judge McAfee's ruling to leave Willis on the case, despite her personal relationship with former Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. The hearing leading up to that ruling drew national attention, culminating with Willis taking the stand.
You're confused. You think I'm on trial. These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020.
In her motion, district attorney did not lay out why she thinks the judge's ruling should be dismissed and overturned. As far as some of the other defendants that are facing those charges that were dismissed, you've got Rudy Giuliani, John Eastman, and Mark Meadows, just to name a few. Reporting live from the Fulton County Courthouse, I'm Mark Teichner for Good Day Atlanta.
Yeah, staying on top of it for us, Mark. Thank you.